Hey folks, how's it going out there? Rooster here in Tennessee. Going to cut another video on a mobile amplifier. This is a mobile 4-pill, 4 Toshiba 2879s, originally built by Raging Radios. Had a repair done to it here a while back and got it all right in 10.8, so it's going to be on the for sale market. I'll be testing it on my 90 amp supply today at 14.9 volts. We'll be using a Bird 43P with a 1000 watt slug, and the peak kit on the side. We'll be doing a peak kit and an average, or a peak and an average reading, excuse me. We'll be testing it with a RCI 2995 going into it. First we'll do a wattage output test on the 2995. We've barely got the RF power cracked open on the 95, so it's not going to do a whole heck of a lot, average that is. So we're looking at the bottom scale. So about 85 to 90 watts average. We'll come over here and hit the peak kit. Audio 1 2 3 audio test. So probably 240 250 peak, maybe a little bit less. Come back over here and put it back on average. We're back on the average reading. Come up here and flip the 4-pill on. Like I said, we'll start out on average. Keying a little bit over 200, 250 or so. Whistling almost 4. I've got a SR98 stock mic on here, so it's not really punching audio. That's why I'm whistling into it. I can just barely speak into it and it won't move a whole lot forward because it is a stock microphone. Audio on. Go ahead and check out our amp meter. Hello, 1 2 3. Okay, that was average. We stayed on the key there a pretty good while. Stress test it. Now we're going to be on peak with the Bird peak kit. Now I don't think that's what they call in the corner or anything, but it's pretty close. You see, speaking in the mic, we're getting about 9. I'd probably call that 1,000 to 1,050 or so. Audio. Okay, we'll let off of it. I'm going to go back to average, and this thing will do a little bit more average power. It's not going to come up more peak really, but it will do a little bit more average if I turn the RF power up a little bit more on the radio. Hello, hello, that's the point of overdriving it. Audio. So that's 400 average, barely going forward. I don't recommend running it like that, but some people do. Some people like to run them that way, not me, but you can. That's probably how I would run it. That's with the RF power back down. Keying less than 300. You can probably back it down a little bit more than that, but you're getting some forward swing there, and we'll do peak one more time just to show. Right out 1,000 watts. Not too bad. 14.9 volts with the 95 going into it. So there it is, 4 Toshiba 2879s. You could probably put some more volts on it and get a little bit more out of it, but that's all up to you. I think it'll make a fine mobile amp for somebody, or even for somebody to run on the base. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, comments, complaints, you can email me at worldsdirtiestbird173yahoo.com, or drop a comment here on YouTube, and we'll catch you guys on the band. 73s. Bye bye.